of Ari Attempts. Today we're making cake pops. Let's get popping. Time to mush up the cake. My hands were so messy. Mash, 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 mash. Squish, squish. Mash, mash, mash. I had to put more icing because it was too dry. Now we have to do the bows. Mommy had to help me with this a little bit. Sprinkle time! Can I eat one? Time to put in the sticks. This is easy peasy. I got to use my sprinkles. Oopsie. The chocolate was a little bit droopy. These will be so nice to give to people. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie Sound. Hit that notification bell. You know when we upload every day at 6 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Oh, I can't wait to eat them. Bye. Thanks for watching.